In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off Gmail category social promotions tabs. If you're tired of emails being split across multiple tabs and just want everything in one place, this will help you bring all messages back into your primary inbox without losing anything. Start on a computer in a web browser. Open Gmail and look to the top right for the gear icon. Click it to open Quick Settings. Make sure your inbox type is set to default, because categories only work with the default inbox. If you see a Customize or Configure Inbox link, click that. You'll see checkboxes for primary, social, promotions, updates, and forums. Uncheck social and promotions to hide those tabs. If your goal is to remove categories entirely, you can uncheck everything except primary. Then click Save. Your social and promotions tabs will disappear, and all those emails will now show in primary. Nothing is deleted, messages are just regrouped. If you don't see the Configure option in Quick Settings, click See All Settings, go to the Inbox tab, and find the Categories section there to uncheck social and promotions, then save. Now let's do the same in the Gmail mobile app. Open the app on your phone. Tap the three horizontal lines in the top left to open the menu, scroll down to Settings, and choose the account you want to change. Look for Inbox Categories or Inbox Settings. Tap Inbox Categories, then turn off Social and Promotions. On some versions, you might first tap Inbox, confirm the inbox type is default, and then open Inbox Categories to uncheck Social and Promotions. Back out to save. The change applies right away. Your inbox will no longer separate those tabs, and incoming emails that would have gone to social or promotions will land in primary. A few tips to keep things organized after you switch. Filters and labels still work exactly the same, so if you want to automatically label newsletters or sales emails, you can create filters to tag or archive them without relying on tabs. If your inbox type is set to Priority Inbox, Unread First, or another layout, categories are already disabled. Switching to default is only necessary if you want the option to toggle categories. And if you ever want the tabs back, just return to the same settings and check social or promotions again. That's it. You've turned off Gmail's social and promotions tabs and simplified your inbox. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your cleaner primary inbox.